and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming.
Hello folks, and today on Taste Buds I am reviewing and unboxing this brand new blender that I acquired recently. I wanted a good machine, a solid machine to make my juices, and of course the price point had to be important. I cannot afford the $300 and the $400 blenders. I am sorry guys. And so I searched on the internet, I searched around for a blender that would serve my purpose and still remain price friendly. And this Calphalon brand new auto speed blender came up on the market, and I decided to take a leap of faith. It is 1100 watts, and it has beautiful features, and I'm just gonna open it now, unbox it for you guys, and walk you through what I see. And then I'm gonna also try to give you a quick demonstration by blending something, making one of my crazy Yardie Belly juices, and see how that come out. All right, so the first thing that I want you guys to see what is in the box. The first thing that I get in the box is the blender jug. All right, and it is nicely packaged. The box looks good, and I went online and did a little bit of reviews, guys. There's not much reviews that are online by way of videos, but what the written reviews were okay. People gave the blender good ratings. Now this blender, I saw where the price point at major stores is around $199. God is good, we got it at a better rate. I'm not gonna say what we got it at, but we got it at a good rate, and so we jumped on it. All right, so the next thing that I wanted you guys to see is the base. The base is a heavy base, and I really admired the base of this blender. Not just that it was a high-tech type of base with, you know, LED lightings and all of that, but it's heavy and sturdy and almost feels like a professional blender. It feels like, you know, one of those blenders that you use in a bar or in a restaurant. The settings are very simple. It has a round knob on the front, and we'll talk a little bit more about that. What else I see? There is also in this blender set a single serve cup. Say for instance you wanted to make a smoothie or a drink, but you don't want to make a lot, then they also afford you a single serve cup with a pour spout, so that you can, say for instance, make your juice using the single serve cup, and then you can just take off the blender blades and put on this top on it, and you can carry it as a jug, you know, as a juice, take your juice on the road type of thing. And I like it. The size is comparable to like the NutriBullet and the Magic Bullet and all of that, and you pretty much just take the blender blade compartment and attach it to your single serve cup like such that I'm doing here, and then you just put whatever you have inside there, and you put it on your base, and you're good to go. And when you do that, you get to pulse it. You can press it down on it like what I'm doing there and pulse it, so you can make a single serve smoothie to go. Nice. I like that option, because it's not every time you're gonna want to make a big serving. And so this replaces the need to have like a NutriBullet or a Magic Bullet. I like the cover because the cover is airtight, it's rubber, and that's one of the only things that I really don't like about this blender so far, is that the jug, the blender jug, is made from hard plastic. So over time, after use, you may very well end up with it being stained. And that's the part that I don't like. Glass don't stain. Alright, so but it looks good, again, for the price point. I'm gonna test it with some ice just to see how well the blade breaks apart ice and stuff. If you have big lumps or clumps in it, those are usually indications of, you know, not good power, and also not good the blade system or the structure of the blade is set. I like the fact that when you turn it on, an LED counter comes on, and you just click the on button and let the blender do its work. So far, I like what I see. The ice is working very much, and I have it on the low settings. I'm putting it on the mid settings now, and to see how well it breaks the ice down. And that looks to me like snow. Yep, so I'm comfortable with that. I do think that you guys would be too. Yeah, so see, we can make snow cone. All right, so that's awesome, beautiful. No, I don't recommend that you just put ice in your blender and blend it just like that. But yes, it works. Now, back to the front. So you have some settings there. You have high, mid, low. Then you have the off settings. Then you have fountain drink, smoothie, milkshake, and dip. All of these programmed settings come with their own timing, and it also come with its own sequence, so the machines oscillate at a different sequence. I am now just gonna make a quick smoothie. I'm showing you guys what I'm doing. If you want the recipe, I'll put it in the description box. It's chickpeas, okra, tahini, cinnamon, vanilla, flaxseed, cocoa powder, hemp, and some almond milk, and I'm just gonna work my magic right there. I just gave you a quick overture because, you know, okay, I'm using some dates as well for the sweetening, and so this is not part of my video. It's just to show you how this blender works. So now I'm gonna put it on smoothie, and I'm gonna show you it's preset now at 1 minute and 8 seconds. So once you put that smoothie and you set the button, you press start and allow the blender to do its thing. Look at that. The blender starts to work on its own accord according to the preset programs in it, and it blends at the preset rate, you know, or speed that's predetermined. The base is so heavy, guys, that you don't have to worry about the blender shaking or vibrating or anything like that. I'm used to putting my hands on top of the blender just for safety reasons, but honestly, you don't have to do that because the blender is heavy enough to just stay put and while it does its thing. There is a little bit of ice in there. There is medium to low crunchy stuff in there. I put banana in there and all these other things, and the blender is doing a perfectly good job of blending and making this into smoothie consistency. All right, and that's the thing that I like about this blender so far. I think, guys, all in all, it's a good buy. Only time will tell if it breaks down or anything. I'll let you know and keep you updated. But for the price point of $199 or way less, depending on where you go and what discounts you can get, I think this is a good blender to acquire if you want to get something nice, make yourself some smoothie, and have a good machine that won't get hot or won't break down if you run it too long or anything of that nature. Guys, go ahead and grab yourself this one. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and comment, and as usual, check out the description box and the shop now page for merchandise. Calphalon blender, automatic blender, nice. I like it a lot. Buy it. Peace out.